Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your GA4 attribution using Looker Studio, complete guide step by step clearly. First, open Looker Studio in your web browser. Log in to your Looker Studio account. Select the project where you want to restore your GA4 attribution. Click on the Create button to start a new report. Choose Data Source from the drop-down menu. In the Data Source options, search for Google Analytics 4. Select your Google Analytics 4 property. Authorize Looker Studio to access your GA4 data. Once authorized, choose the desired GA4 data fields you want to include. Click Add to Report to add the data source to your Looker Studio report. Next, identify the specific attribution model you want to restore. Navigate to the Data tab of your report. Locate the section for your data source fields. Add a new calculated field for your attribution modeling. Use the appropriate formula to replicate the GA4 attribution settings. Ensure this field accurately reflects the attribution model. Now, drag and drop your new calculated field into your report canvas. Adjust the visualizations to properly display your attribution data. Customize filters to refine the data shown in your report as needed. Preview your report to ensure everything looks correct. Save your report with an appropriate name for future reference. Share your report with relevant stakeholders or teams. Regularly check and update your attribution model as your strategies evolve. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.